It is, though.
Yeah. No, Mike is climbing the hill trying to go down the hill. He's trying to go down the hill with his shopping cart. It's totally not happening.
I'm ready.
Okay.
What was that?
It didn't work like I wanted it to. Fuck yourself. Fuck yourself. And fuck yourself. I broke my finger.
Oh, no, really?
No.
Oh.
I want to cook yourself.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.